way out. First order up, we've got a 7-Eleven. This is $9 going 5 miles.
Welcome in. You got an order. I didn't even realize that he must have it turned down. Oh my God, I want to scream at it. You want to grab on that first aisle? See this right here?
Thank you for stopping
Yeah.
at 7-Eleven.
Thank you for stopping at 7-Eleven. Find it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to close them up.
It's fine with me.
There
Thank
you go.
you. Of course, as soon as I park, I get my next order. This is gonna be for Sherry's, $12 going 6.5 miles.
Picking up an order today?
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
You too. So I'm pretty sure DoorDash has been down for like 30 minutes because I'm not getting any orders, like at all. And I don't think it's because people aren't awake and hungry. Finally got an order. This is Starbucks, $7 going 4 miles. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell. This is $7 going 2 miles. I don't see a single car here, so what are the odds that this is actually open? Not sure. I don't see anyone inside either.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. And thank you.
You have a good one.
You too.
Okay, yeah, today's completely a waste of time. Unless I get an order that's worth like $40 here. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 and some change. Going 6 miles, 4 items.
Well, if you have your cup.
I'll need 2 grabs.
Oh, this order is such a pain in my fill in the blank. I'm like this close to calling it a day. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. I've made probably 45 bucks or like 55 after this one. Oh my goodness. Really hoping somebody would show up at the door. Thank you. If you don't mind holding that open, I've got a mess.
Go for it.
That was miserable. Okay, I just got my next order. Hopefully this one's a little bit easier than the last one. This is for bed and breakfast burrito, one of the many ghost kitchens of this restaurant. $7 going just under a mile. Ooh, hidden tip on that one. Total ended up being $9.50. Very good order. Not a single alcohol order. That strikes me as very odd, considering New Year's is this weekend. Okay, yeah, I'm over it. I'm done wasting my time today. People are just not spending their holiday money on junk food. Current time is 10:45. Current total is 66, and I should have one Uber tip yet to come in, so it should bring it up to, I think, 70. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.